guys, here I am again, and I'm super excited, super happy to say that I am in top 20 of NYX Cosmetics Face Awards Baltics 2019. Did I say top 20 or top 10?
Wow.
Well, I am in top 20 and I am in top 10. And it says here, congratulations, you're here, you are in the Face Awards Baltics 2019 top 10. Thank you for your awesome work so far, blah blah blah. The deadline for this video, the deadline for the challenge, and let's see what is the next challenge. Let's see what is the next challenge. And the next challenge is living art. Do you see that? Do you see? Yeah. It's living art. So, very interesting challenge, and I already have few ideas. Now, all I have to do is to choose one and to fulfill it. And let's dive into this big, beautiful box with amazing stuff from NYX makeup professional makeup and our other sponsors. Favorite part, sweet help, NYX. Well, it's gummies. They help from everything. Super tasty. My favorite part of this box. Sweet. Yummy. I like it. Next we have Matrix hair products. It's Matrix Total Results Keep Me Vivid conditioner.
Wow.
With Pearl Infusion, and Total Results Keep Me Vivid shampoo with Pearl Infusion. We have micellar oil infused cleansing water from Garnier Skin Active. We also have something from Kiehl's. It's Calendula Herbal Extract Toner. And it smells very nice. Next, we have eyelash curler. The more eyelashes from NYX in styles Scandal, Drama Queen, and On the Fringe. Can't Stop, Won't Stop Powder Foundation in shades Warm Honey and Golden Honey. Next, some beautiful pigments. 9 of them to be exact, and the shades are Constellation, Peacock, Vermouth, Potion, Ecstatic, Stunner, Nightingale, Venetian, and Crazed. Next we have 4 NYX Professional Makeup Pro Foundation Mixers in shades White, Opalescent, Deep Profound, and Oily. Oh, so many good stuff here. Next in our box are SFX Cream Color in shades Black, Brown, and Orange. SFX setting powder. Pigment primer for those gorgeous pigments. We have precision blending sponges. They're awesome, they're very soft. Can't wait to try them. We have Total Control Drop Primer. 3 Born to Glow highlighters. Oh my gosh, I really wanted to try these palettes, this product. These are NYX Professional Makeup Foil Plate Pigment Palettes. Such gorgeous colors. NYX Lip Lingerie in shades Seduction, Confident, French Maid, and Scandalous. More lipsticks in NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipsticks in shades Club Hopper, Cherry Skies, Vintage, Stone Fox, and oh, put it on! Duochromatic Shimmer Lip Gloss in shade Cocktail Party. 8 Vivid Brights Colored Liquid Liners and shades Vivid Blossom, Vivid Petal, Vivid Fire, Vivid Envy, Vivid Halo, Vivid Delight, Vivid Violet, and Vivid Escape. This is what I wanted so much! These are liquid lipsticks from Glitter Gold series. They are so sparkly on the lips, they look so amazing. You can see the sparkles from the moon. Then we have white and black liners. White is white liquid liner, and the black one is Epic Ink liner. Oh, cool! We have HD Studio Photogenic Finishing Powder, Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Primer. It's matte finish setting spray and dewy finish setting spray. Then we have lip primer and some jumbo eye pencils in beautiful shades of Purple Velvet and Rust, and also Milk and Black Bean. Eyeshadow base in color black, and Worth the Hype mascara. Next we have the big eyeshadow palette Square by It, which is 40 shades, beautiful shades, very gorgeous. We have 2 more eyeshadow palettes. It's from the new line Off Tropic, and one palette is Hasta La Vista with more bright neon colors, and the other is Shifting Sand with more warm, earthy tones, I would say. I want to say big thank you for NYX Professional Makeup for organizing this this contest, for giving the opportunity to show all the creativity that we artists have, and to reach a lot of people by participating in this contest. I want to say big thank you to all you guys who enjoy my work and our work in general, and I hope you really like my first creation, which was Steampunk Sugar Plum Fairy, and the second work of Proud Soul, and I hope that I will create equally as good third creation, which will be living art. So see you really soon, bye! Hi guys, I'm here. Hi guys, here I am again, and here I am happy as happy.